Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to drop in any custom HTML like a countdown timer, newsletter, sign up form, or third-party widget directly into your Shopify pages without touching a single liquid template. Let's get started. First of all, log into your Shopify admin dashboard, then go to online store, then themes. Find the theme you are using and click customize. This brings you into the Shopify theme editor where you can visually add and reorder sections. Inside the theme editor sidebar, click add section. Scroll down until see custom HTML or custom liquid depending on your theme. This is maybe named differently, but it's the block that lets you paste raw HTML or liquid code. Select it, then click add. Now you have got an empty HTML editor. Paste in your snippet, for example, a div tag, countdown timer, script, and embeddable MailChimp form, or a YouTube embed like this. Go to youtube.com, choose a video from here, click three dot button, then share, and click embed code and copy and paste here like that. Make sure your code is self-contained with its own styles or external CSS, so it won't conflict with your theme. With your HTML in place, let's fine-tune the sections, spacing, and background. Still in the sidebar, click the section handle above your HTML block. Under layout, you can set padding or margin. Under style, add a background color or image behind your custom code for best contrast. You are not stuck at the bottom. Simply hover the 6-dot handle on the left of your new section and drag it to wherever you'd like to appear. Above the fold between featured products on in the footer, Shopify renders in real time, so you will see exactly how it looks. Once you are happy, click the publish button or save button. Then use the preview icon to open your live storefront. Test your section HTML. Does the widget load? Are scripts firing? If you are embedding forms, submit a test entry. If it's a timer, make sure it counts down correctly. If you plan to reuse the same HTML blocks on multiple templates like product and blog pages, you can create a reusable section in the code editor. In the action, click Edit Code. Under Section, Search section, like that, and add a new section. Name it Custom HTML dot liquid, then done. Now type here type text era id HTML code, then label, and paste your HTML here. Below that, add div class equal to custom HTML section section dot settings dot HTML code, and that's it. You have just injected custom HTML into your Shopify store. No pro apps or extra hosting needed. A few parting tips. If you found this video helpful, hit like and subscribe and leave a comment on what Shopify trick you want next. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.